How to make apps or games full screen alert on One UI 7. By default, automatically set the full screen alert on your latest Samsung One UI 7 device. You can change it by open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now tap on the search bar on your device and search for the full screen alert. Here you can see. So tap on it the full screen alert on your device. Now scroll down. At the end you can see full screen alert. Tap on it. Allow apps to send full screen alert that cover the entire screen. So here you can see by default and automatically allow the full screen on your device. So if you don't want to use, just toggle up it to disable the full screen alert on your device for specific application or game application on your device. Just toggle on it. By default allow the full screen alert. If you don't want to use, just toggle up it to turn off the full screen alert on your device. You can also use other settings, allow or hide camera cutout on the display setting. So go to display on your device, tap on a camera cutout on your device. Here you can see how it looks when you show the camera cutout or hide the camera cutout. When you select the hide, it will hide the top portion of your device from the game application. So select the game, or you can select show camera cutout, hide camera cutout you want on your device, or by default set the auto. Also select the application. So you can select any game or application you want to show or hide camera cutout, or show or hide the full screen entire screen on the latest Samsung One UI 7 device. That's it. If you like it, share it.